Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a WeChat wallet without Chinese bank account, right? So if you just go to their website here, this is only allowed in China, right? So here if you want to just access, you can just access by using their website here. And once you're here, you can also do it by using their mobile application. You can just download from the App Store or Play Store and search for WeChat and just download it. Now here you have to create an account. Just like every social media, you have to also create an account on WeChat. Just tap on sign in, enter your phone number and the information which WeChat asks you, and instantly you will able to make an account. Now here you have to access WeChat Wallet. So open WeChat and go to the Me tab, tap on WeChat Pay. You may need to change the language to Chinese if WeChat Pay doesn't show up in your region, because it is only allowed in China, not in a different country, right? So tap on cards, tap on add a bank account. Here you need to enter the details of supported bank cards, right? And once you have entered, it will verify your identity. You need to give your identity card to verify it. Once after the verification done, right, you will get a link, right? So here you can just open it up. Once your wallet is set up, you can use it for pay services, transfer money and receive payment within WeChat. Tap on me and then WeChat Pay to view your wallet and transactions. So you can also add funds into the WeChat by using your link bank cards or ask a friend to transfer money to via WeChat Pay. So this is how you can just set up WeChat wallet without Chinese bank account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.